Unlocking the magic of mystical. Hello, language enthusiasts. Today, we'll delve deep into the enchanting world of the English language and explore the word mystical. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear understanding of what this word means, its nuances, and how to use it effectively. Mystical is an adjective that describes something related to, or characterized by, the mysterious and intangible nature of spirituality or things beyond ordinary understanding. It often relates to the direct communion with the divine, the supernatural, or a sense of wonder, awe inspired by the unknown. Example: the ancient temples had a mystical aura that left tourists in awe. Understanding synonyms can give you a broader perspective of a word's meaning. Here are some synonyms for mystical: spiritual, pertaining to the soul or things beyond the physical realm. Esoteric, understood by a select few, typically with a spiritual or secretive meaning. Supernatural, beyond what is natural, unexplainable by natural laws. Magical, possessing or appearing to possess magical powers. To understand any word better, it's great to see it in action. Here are some sentences using mystical. 1. The shaman performed a mystical ritual to call upon the spirits. 2. There's something mystical about the forest at dawn. It's so serene and otherworldly. 3. Legends speak of a mystical land beyond the mountains where magic is real. 4. Meditation can help some people achieve a mystical connection with the universe. Sometimes people confuse mystical with mysterious. While both can refer to the unknown, mystical often has spiritual or supernatural connotations, whereas mysterious generally pertains to something puzzling or unclear. Example: the mystical teachings of certain religions are often passed down through generations. Here, the focus is on spiritual teachings. The disappearance of the ship remains a mysterious event. Here, the focus is on an unexplained event. And that wraps up our magical journey into the word mystical. The English language is filled with such mesmerizing words, and understanding them can truly elevate your language skills. We hope this video has shed light on this enchanting term, and remember, every word you learn is a step closer to language mastery. Until next time, keep exploring and learning.